The others are silent.
Good evening and welcome to the Weekesting. Today is a special show about New Orleans. Here are the candidates.
I'm Addison, I'm 25, I'm a student in law, and I live in Los Angeles.
I am Beverly, I am 44, I am cashier and I live in Los Angeles.
Hello, I'm Meredith, I'm 20, I'm a student in medicine and I live in Maryland.
So, let's go. Addison, in which state is New Orleans? It's Louisiana, Ohio or Michigan?
Ohio.
No. Beverly, how many residents live in New Orleans? It's 550,000 or 1 million?
1 million.
Meredith, nearest river is New Orleans. It's Amazon, Mississippi or Saint Laurent?
Amazon.
No. Addison,